Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Caesar salad bread. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a good quality loaf, such as a baguette or ciabatta, which provides a great base. The magic happens with a blend of fresh garlic, rich Parmesan cheese, and a generous amount of olive oil. These core elements will infuse your bread with that unmistakable Caesar flavor, creating a delicious side dish or appetizer. Now let's prepare the bread and dressing. Slice your chosen loaf into 1-inch thick pieces, or for a more rustic feel, tear it into irregular chunks. In a separate bowl, whisk together a generous amount of olive oil, finely minced garlic, and a hint of Worcestershire sauce for depth. Pour this flavorful mixture over your bread pieces, tossing gently until every piece is evenly coated and ready for the next step. It's time to bake your delicious Caesar salad bread. Arrange the coated bread pieces in a single layer on a baking sheet. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Remember to flip them halfway through to ensure they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and perfect crispiness on all sides. Once baked, garnish with fresh parsley and a sprinkle of extra grated Parmesan cheese, then serve warm. Here are a few tips and variations to elevate your Caesar salad bread. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding a pinch of red pepper flakes to your dressing mixture for a subtle, warm kick. You could also incorporate a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors and add a zesty tang. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Caesar salad bread.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.